Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our next lesson of class 4th book 2, that is money can't buy everything. Let us start. Adil was a 10-year-old boy. He was the only son to his parents. Adil's father was a very busy businessman who could not spend time with his son. He came home after Adil slept and was off to office before Adil woke up in the morning. Adil yearned for his father's attention. He wanted to go outdoors and play with his father like his friends did. In first paragraph, there was a child whose name was Adil. He was 10 years old. He was the only son of his parents. His father was a very busy businessman. He has no time for his son. He came home when Adil slept and went to office before Adil woke up in the morning. Adil was yearned for his father's attention. He wants to spend some time with his father, but his father was a very busy businessman, so he has no time to spend with his son. His son Adil wants to go outdoors and play with his father just like his friends did. One day, Adil was surprised to see his father at home in the evening. "Dad, it is a big surprise to see you at home," Adil said. One day, Adil was surprised when he saw his father at home in the evening. And he said his dad, "It is a big surprise to see you at home." "Yes, son, my meeting was cancelled, so I am at home. But after 2 hours, I have to catch a flight," his father replied. So his father replied that, "My meeting was cancelled, so I am at home. But after 2 hours, I have to leave because I have to catch a flight." Now Adila said, When will you be back?" And his father replied, "Tomorrow noon." Adil was in deep thought for a while. Then he asked, "Dad, how much do you earn in a year?" "How much do you earn in a year?" Adil asked his father that, "How much do you earn in a year?"